moving on to the next question. Do you think you can recollect everything on the day of exam? So this is something which constantly plagues us. Right? Do I remember everything on the day of exam, or may I forget, or will I forget? Or how is it going to be? So you have options, of course, yes, no, can't say, none. Remember, if you're confident in yourself, you'll remember everything on the day of exam. Let me quote a common example which you are very familiar with. You're attending a Viva in your final year or any undergraduate year. Most of us find it really challenging to answer questions, even the so-called simple questions. Is it because you don't have the ability to answer? Or is it because you have some neurological disease that you're forgetting things? It's all anxiety, because you're facing the person right in front of you, your professor or whatever. And because of which you tend to forget things, even in those topics which you are really confident in. The point here is, if you're calm and cool, most importantly, if you're confident in yourself and in your preparation, you will remember each and every word without fail. Take my word, right? So it has to be, and it will be, of course, yes.